Welcome to the exhilarating world of freelancing, a realm where creativity knows no bounds, and every day is an opportunity to forge your path to success. As you step into this dynamic arena, you're embarking on a journey filled with endless possibilities, yet riddled with twists and turns that will test your resilience and determination. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, freelancing has emerged as a beacon of opportunity for those seeking freedom, flexibility, and fulfillment in their careers. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just dipping your toes into the freelancing waters, the quest to unlock the secrets of finding high-paying clients and building a sustainable income is a thrilling adventure that awaits. Picture this. You, armed with nothing but your skills, passion, and determination, navigating through a labyrinth of opportunities and challenges, each presenting a unique puzzle to solve. From honing your craft to mastering the art of self-promotion, every step you take brings you closer to unlocking the door to freelance success. But make no mistake, the journey ahead won't always be smooth sailing. Along the way, you'll encounter obstacles that will test your resolve and setbacks that will push you to your limits. Yet, it's precisely these challenges that will shape you into a stronger, more resilient freelancer, capable of weathering any storm that comes your way. So, as you settle in for this exploration of the freelance landscape, I invite you to grab your favorite beverage, be it a steaming cup of coffee, a refreshing iced tea, or a soothing mug of herbal tea, and prepare to embark on a journey of discovery. Together, we'll uncover the strategies, tactics, and insights that will empower you to thrive in the competitive world of freelancing. Freelancing transcends the boundaries of a mere career choice. It embodies a lifestyle characterized by freedom, flexibility, and the pursuit of passion. Yet, to navigate this terrain successfully, one must possess more than just raw talent. It demands a strategic mindset, unwavering perseverance, and a deep understanding of how to carve out your niche in a crowded marketplace. Imagine freelancing as a vast ocean, teeming with talented individuals all vying for the attention of clients. In this sea of competition, the key to success lies in identifying your unique niche, that specialized area where your skills, expertise, and passion intersect. Whether you're a wordsmith crafting compelling content, a visual artist bringing ideas to life, a coding wizard building digital solutions, or a strategic thinker guiding businesses to success, finding your niche is the cornerstone of attracting high-paying clients who recognize and value your expertise. But how do you rise above the competition and make your mark in this crowded landscape? The answer lies in effective self-marketing and the strategic showcasing of your skills and accomplishments. Picture your portfolio as a showcase, a curated collection of your best work meticulously arranged to captivate potential clients. From designing an eye-catching website that serves as your digital storefront to leveraging the power of social media platforms to showcase your talents and engage with your audience, every element of your self-marketing strategy plays a crucial role in positioning yourself as a sought-after freelancer. Moreover, networking becomes your superpower in this realm. Gone are the days of traditional networking events confined to physical spaces. In the digital age, networking knows no bounds. Engage with industry peers, participate in online communities, and attend virtual events to expand your network and forge meaningful connections. By cultivating relationships built on trust, mutual respect, and shared interests, you open doors to opportunities that can propel your freelance career to new heights. Together, we'll explore a plethora of strategies designed to help you navigate the intricacies of freelancing, from crafting a compelling brand narrative that resonates with your target audience to mastering the art of negotiation and pricing your services competitively. With perseverance, determination, and a strategic approach, you'll not only stand out in the sea of freelancers but also command the attention and respect of high-paying clients willing to invest in your expertise. As you prepare to venture into the exhilarating world of freelancing, it's essential to equip yourself with the mindset and strategies necessary to navigate the challenges and seize the opportunities that lie ahead. Freelancing isn't just about securing one-off gigs or chasing short-term gains. It's about building sustainable, long-term relationships with clients who recognize and appreciate the value of your work. Imagine your freelance career as a journey of self-discovery, growth, and ultimately, success. Along this journey, you'll encounter obstacles and setbacks, but with the right mindset and strategies, the opportunities for personal and professional fulfillment are boundless. So, buckle up and embrace the adventure that awaits. One of the cornerstones of building a sustainable freelance income is fostering long-term relationships with clients. These relationships go beyond transactional exchanges. They're built on trust, reliability, and mutual respect. By consistently delivering high-quality work, exceeding expectations, and maintaining open lines of communication, you can cultivate loyal clients who value your expertise and are willing to invest in your services over time. But sustaining a freelance career isn't just about client relationships, it's also about financial stability. Freelancers often face the challenge of unpredictable income streams, fluctuating workloads, and economic uncertainties. To mitigate these risks, it's crucial to diversify your income streams, set clear financial goals, and manage your finances wisely. By budgeting effectively, saving for leaner times, and exploring alternative revenue streams such as passive income or product offerings, you can build a financial safety net that provides stability and peace of mind. Moreover, setting boundaries and managing your time effectively are essential aspects of maintaining a healthy work-life balance in the freelance lifestyle. It's easy to fall into the trap of overworking or saying yes to every opportunity that comes your way, but doing so can lead to burnout and diminish the quality of your work. By establishing clear boundaries around your availability, workload, and communication channels, you can protect your time, energy, and mental well-being. Finally, let's address the elephant in the room: the inevitable challenges and setbacks that come with the freelance lifestyle. Whether it's dealing with difficult clients, navigating feast or famine cycles, or facing rejection and criticism, freelancers must develop resilience and adaptability to thrive in this dynamic environment. By cultivating a growth mindset, learning from failures, and embracing challenges as opportunities for growth, you can overcome obstacles with grace and emerge stronger and more resilient than ever before. So, as you embark on your freelance journey, remember that success is not just about the destination. It's about the experiences, lessons, and growth that you encounter along the way. With the right mindset, strategies, and perseverance, you can build a fulfilling and sustainable freelance career that empowers you to live life on your terms. Well, folks, that wraps up our journey into the world of freelancing. I hope you found these insights valuable and empowering. Remember, success as a freelancer isn't just about the destination. It's about embracing the journey and continually striving to improve and grow. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more content, and share it with your fellow freelancers. Together, we can unlock the door to freelance success and build a thriving community of